welcome to another Online Business Realm video. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to click the subscribe button to stay up to date with everything we have going on here at the channel. So today for Crypto Thursday, we're going to be looking at how to buy RaiBlocks. RaiBlocks goes by the symbol XRB, and if you look here on CoinMarketCap, right now it is coming in at number 20. If you look on the right side, it hasn't been a great day for cryptocurrency, but that's okay. It comes and goes, but the highs are better than the lows. So let's click on RaiBlocks and take a little closer look at it. So as you can see right now, it's worth $16.61. And if you look at the circulating supply, there's 133 million total. And so I like that number. Anything over 400 million I'm not too crazy about. But I do like RaiBlocks. It's only probably about 35 to 40% larger supply than Ethereum. And we see how well Ethereum is done. So RaiBlocks is known as like a 4th generation coin. That just means it offers more bells and whistles than, say, its predecessors, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, things like that that represent different generations of coins. So as you can see here, since the end of December, it's gone up. It spiked high at, I think, about $51 was the high at some point, and now it's all the way back down to 16. So personally, I think it's a good time to buy RaiBlocks right now. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not paid financial advice. But in my opinion, RaiBlocks has a lot of potential to go way up. So if you want to know how to buy it, you can come here and click markets. It'll show you which markets are available to buy it on. And the biggest one is KuCoin. Now, another reason why people really like RaiBlocks right now is because Binance has already confirmed that it will be going on the Binance exchange soon, which if you watch my videos, you know I like Binance. It's a good exchange. When RaiBlocks goes on Binance, we can see a spike. But right now, KuCoin is the best place to go. So what you need to do is go ahead and go here to KuCoin and create an account here, and that'll get you ready to go. So you also need a Coinbase account. You can go ahead and click in the video information below, and if you don't have a Coinbase account, you can go ahead and sign up for one. So once you have your Coinbase account, all you need to do is go to buy, sell, click on what you want to buy. We're going to buy Bitcoin today. Then you're going to choose your payment method. It can be a debit card or a bank account. They were allowing credit cards. Some of the individual credit card companies, such as Capital One, have now gotten to the point where they're not letting people extend credit into cryptocurrency. So you'll just put the amount you want to buy here. So I just put 100, and then you just click buy. And as you can see, there's a fee. I'm going to end up with only $97. So after that, you would go to accounts and then go down here to Bitcoin wallet. You'd hit send, and you're going to need an address to send this to. Well, that's where KuCoin comes in. So if you've already signed up for your account on KuCoin, you just go to down here to deposit. You can trade with Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Neo on this exchange. So all you got to do here is click this and click Bitcoin. Now it's going to generate an address for you. You just copy the address. Okay. And then you just paste the address right there. So let's just go ahead and put the 100 in that we sent. And as you see, it's about a $7 fee is going to charge you. So, you know, when it comes to cryptocurrency and using Bitcoin, a lot of these fees are going to be pretty expensive, but the gains are substantial enough that, you know, you'll cover the fee within a short period of time as long as things are on the climb. So once you've done that and you hit send, come back to your KuCoin wallet, and you would come back to the money symbol and hit details. So now your money will show up here on Bitcoin. So now what you have to do is exchange your RaiBlocks for Bitcoin. So what you do is come over here to markets, and you want to stay on the Bitcoin tab, and then you would just go here and click buy. It's very easy. You can do it right here from this page, and you would just put your max amount. Like let's say you had 0.3 Bitcoins, and you would just click buy, and it's easy as that. You can also click on the symbol, and it's going to take you to this page. Now, one just quick thing I want to show you here about RaiBlocks is this red down here. This is called a sell wall. This is where basically a lot of whales, a whale is a term for someone who has an exorbitant amount of a cryptocurrency, are just waiting to, they're keeping the price down until they're able to acquire a certain amount. And you can tell a sell wall pretty easy because, as you can see, there's a giant wall right here, and it plateaus, and then there's another smaller one up here. So I'll go a little more into depth about what a sell wall is on another video, but the long and the short of it is when you see a sell wall like this, it's a coin you should get into. Once again, not financial advice, but in my opinion, that is the time to get in coins, because once this wall gets broken through, the price is going to skyrocket. I think it would probably go up to $50, $60 probably within a week once this sell wall gets passed. So, but back to buying it, you come back down here. Basically, you would just type the amount of RaiBlocks that you want. You just type it in. Let's say we want 20 RaiBlocks, and then you just click buy. If you want 100% of what you own, I don't have anything in KuCoin right now, you would just click this and drag it all the way to the right side, and that would allow you to buy as much equivalent in Bitcoin as you have. So you would just click buy, and then once again, you would just come over here to the $sign, and if you just hover over it, it will show you your amount of RaiBlocks after you make your purchase. So buying RaiBlocks on KuCoin is just that easy, and I do think it is a good coin. It's definitely something to look out for on the rise. I think it's got a lot of potential. And if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like, comment, and tell your friends about our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with everything we do on the channel. And until next time, get out there and make some money.